Hey dreamers, welcome back to the Dream Green Show. If you caught my last video, you know I've been investing $60 into Apple every single day for the past 110 days. Here's the updated Apple. They're sitting at $180. Over the last year, they're up 43%. I just bought 100 shares of a contract I had on them. I'm still sitting up almost $1,000 on Apple. So the experiment is still running well. Today, we're gonna take a step further. We're gonna explore what the future might hold for my Apple investment over the next 10 years. Diving into Apple past performance, its growth trajectory, and why it's considered a smart investment. So let's go ahead and dive straight into it. But before we continue, I have a challenge for you. If you're excited on what's coming next in this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. So if you want to help dreamers find content like this, hitting that thumbs up button really counts. Let's make every like count. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Appreciate it. All right, but before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Moo. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description. If you sign up, deposit $100, you can receive up to 15 free stocks. Guys, they also have a 5.1% APY interest on your cash sweep, on the cash that's inside your account. So that's an easy way to make 5% on your cash by doing absolutely nothing, just by holding it inside of that brokerage account and also picking up 15 free stocks. Guys, go ahead and get that free money. Also, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to Webull. You sign up with Webull, deposit any amount of money. You can deposit $1 if you want to, and you can receive up to 12 free stocks. With those 12 free stocks, you can keep them inside the portfolio and decide to use it, or you can sell those 12 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. Guys, it's literally free money. Do not miss out on this amazing opportunity. But let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Now, I had a lot of people ask me, why am I investing so much into Apple? Why am I not putting inside a high-paying dividend stock like SCHD, QYLD, or others, so that I could live off of my dividends in the next 10, maybe 20 years, right? Why am I not putting inside an ETF like VOO or QQQ? Well, we're gonna take a look at that and get some real results at the end of this video. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so you don't miss out on any crucial information. All right, so now back to Apple. First, let's talk about that journey. In the last decade, did you know that over the past 10 years, Apple stock has seen phenomenal, I'm talking about amazing growth. From reinventing personal technology with the iPhone to expanding into services in wearables, Apple has consistently pushed the boundaries. This innovation and growth have been reflected inside of their stock price, showing an impressive upward trend. So we're gonna look at the past 10 years and see how much I might have in the future. Will it be millions? Will it be worthless? I don't know, but we shall see. All right, so looking into the future. All right, so we're gonna try to look into the future. While past performance is not guaranteed for future performance, right? Apple continued to focus on innovations and expansions into new markets like health technology, with their watches, right, and potentially automobiles, maybe an Apple car or technology within electronic vehicles, right? I'm thinking Apple car. All right, if Apple maintains even just a fraction of growth rate from the last decade, my investments today would be some natural growth in the next 10 years. So now, if we was to compare it to a stable ETF like VOO, QQQ, why choose Apple? Let's break down what makes Apple such a standout. First of all right, Apple is the world's largest company by market capitalization. They're $1 trillion company and a certain level of security for many investors, right? But for me, it do. Now, they're not just a technology company, they're becoming an integrated part of people's lifestyle globally. They also have a massive amount of cash on hand. I'm talking billions of dollars in reserve. This financial cushion allows them to invest into new technologies. Whether if the economic is going in a downturn, they're gonna have so much cash on hand, and allows them to continue their streak of acquiring innovative companies almost every single year. Well, it is every single year. There are about 20 companies in the S&P 500 that carries the whole entire S&P 500, and Apple is among one of the top companies that carry the S&P 500. Apple just isn't sitting on a cash pile. They're actively investing into acquiring smaller companies that can add value to their ecosystem. These acquisitions often include startups in areas like artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and health technology. That's how they're able to add things to their watch every year, make a new Apple headset. They're buying up these smaller companies that's on the cutting edge of technology. They're buying them, and added them into Apple company, into their products, right? So they buy at least like 20 companies every single year. They acquire and buy 20 companies, whole companies, every single year. Apple does that. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the past performance and see how much money can I make in the future, in the next 10 years. I'm about to pull up my portfolio visualizer. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are inside my portfolio visualizer. So let's say we started invested all the way back in 2000. What year is it? 2024. So let's just say 2013. 2024 just started. That's 10 years ago. Let's say we started with $1,000. And we contribute a fixed amount of, what is it, $60 every single day, 5 days a week. That's $1,200 a month, right? $1,200 a month, monthly, and we're going to reinvest our dividends into Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. There we go, $100% of the portfolio inside AAPL, right? Okay, so let's do the math right quick. If I'm investing $1,200 a month for 12 months, that's around $14,400 a year. Multiply that by 10 years. That's over the next 10 years, I should have been investing $144,000 into Apple, right? All right, so let's go ahead and hit analyze the portfolio right here and see how much we might have in future. Oh my God, guys, with just $60 every single day in the next 10 years, I would have almost $1 million. Well, almost $900,000 in Apple. I'm bringing in $890,000 by itself over the next from the last 10 years, right? So we look at Apple, this how much we'll be making in dividends, around $4,327 a year in dividends, but we'll be well on our way to $1 million account, and probably in just one more year we'll have $1 million inside of our Apple account. Now if we compare this to another ticker symbol like VOO, which is the S&P 500. It tracks the top 500 companies in America. And let's just throw out another high dividend stock out there. Let's SCHD, the one that everybody loves to invest into. Remember, past performance does not predict future performance, but let's just take a quick look. Here it goes. With VOO, tracks the S&P 500. You'll have $358,000. That's nowhere close to $900,000. And with SCSG, a lot of people invest into that for dividends. They have $336,000. If we take a look at the dividends, of course, with SCSG, you'll be bringing in $11,000 a year, but that's still nowhere close to having $900,000. And that's why I'm taking the chance. That's why I'm taking the risk on a good quality company like Apple, that is a $1 trillion market cap company that have billions of dollars of cash on hands, that acquire companies every single year, that does stock buybacks, that does stock splits. That's why I'm investing so heavily into them and taking a risk and taking a chance, because I want that I want that almost $900,000 in Apple, guys. So there we go. So what does that leave my investment? If Apple continues on its current trajectory, my daily investments of $60 a day could potentially significantly grow a lot. All right, using historical growth rates as a guide and factoring in Apple's strong market position and financial wealth, we're looking at a promising future. Now, let me know down in the comment section, guys. Let me know down in the comment section, should I stop investing into Apple so heavily and start throwing inside VOO, QQQ, SCHD, or another potential company that has a lot of growth potential? Or should I continue to invest into Apple until they make some kind of crazy major change in their company structure or something like that? But for the foreseeable future, I think I'm going to invest into Apple. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you think I should do? Is there a company that you absolutely love that you're buying into no matter what? Let me know if you're dollar cost averaging as well down in the description. Guys, before we leave, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you go down to the description. Moomoo, you sign up for Moomoo, get those free stocks. Sign up for Weeble, get those free stocks. Remember, if you already got Robinhood, if you already got Weeble, go ahead, sign up with Moomoo. If you already got Moomoo, go ahead, sign up with Weeble. It's free stocks. It does not hurt to have money in multiple places. It does not hurt to get free stocks. Do not miss out on those opportunities. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show. Hit that thumbs up button, and I'm out. Peace.